Hello students, hope you all are well. Today I am going to discuss regarding to your term 2 project assignment. For your term 2 project assignment, you will use the same project file that you have used for your term 1 project assignment. Students, those who have not covered your project file, cover your project file properly, and on your project file write all your details like your name, class, section, roll number, session, etc. Where you have ended your term 1 project topics, leave one page where you will write term 2 project assignment like this.
Then on the next page, you have to write acknowledgement, where you will write, I would like to express my special thanks and gratitude to my subject teachers as well as our principal ma'am to give me the golden opportunity to do all these wonderful projects. I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance. Then on the left hand side, you will write date, and on the right hand side, you will write name, class, section, roll number, and leave the space for teacher's signature. After that, you will write the index page. At the top of the page, you will write index. Then you have to make total 6 columns. First is for serial number, second is for date, third is for subject, fourth column is for topic, fifth column is for page number, and last column is for teacher's signature. In the serial number column, you will write 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then in the second column, you will mention the date. After that, in the third column, you will write the name of the subjects, that is English, Bengali or Hindi. Students, those who are having Bengali, you will write Bengali here, and those who are having Hindi, you will write Hindi. Then mathematics, then science, then social science, then computer, then Sanskrit, then GK, and after that, write bibliography. Then in the fourth column, you will write the topics of the respective subjects. After that, in the fifth column, you will write page number accordingly and leave space in the last column for teacher's signature. Now I am going to discuss your project topics. At first, you will write your English project. So at the top of the page, you will write English, then write topic, short note on freedom. From the story, I want something in a cage, we get the idea of freedom. Write down point-wise why freedom is everyone's right and inevitable for all on the right side. Try to make a cage using straw or any waste material and draw a bird outside the cage on the right side of your project copy and then make it colorful. For your help, we are giving you one example. Then you will write your Bengali or Hindi project. Students, those who are having Bengali, at the top of the ruled page, you will write Bengali. Then you will write topic. Your topic for Bengali project is Potrolikhon. অন্নদাশঙ্কর রায়ের লেখা পথে প্রবাসে পাঠ্যাংশটিতে আমরা লেখকের সমুদ্রযাত্রার একটি অভিজ্ঞতা সম্বন্ধে জানতে পারি। তেমনই মনে করো তুমি লাদাখ বেড়াতে গিয়েছিলে, সেই ভ্রমণের অভিজ্ঞতা জানিয়ে প্রজেক্ট খাতার ডান দিকে বন্ধুকে একটি চিঠি লেখো 120 থেকে 150টি শব্দের মধ্যে এবং লাদাখের একটি ছবি খাতার বাঁ দিকের সাদা অংশে আঁকো বা আটকাও। Then students who are having Hindi, at the top of the ruled page you will write Hindi, then write down the topic. Your Hindi topic is Anuchhed Lekhan. Then on the right side you have to write the biography of any famous personality of Ladakh within 80 to 100 words and paste a relevant picture of it on the left side of your project copy. Now I am going to explain your mathematics project. At the top of the ruled page, you will write mathematics, then you will write topic bar graph. Here you can see that one data is given, that is percentage of main four religions of Ladakh are given below. By using this information, draw a bar graph using the scale 1 millimeter equal to 1% on the left hand side, that is on the white page of your project copy, and make this table on the right side of your project copy. Now I will explain your science project. So at the top of the ruled page, you will write science, then you will write topic animals of Ladakh. We know that Ladakh is a cold desert in India. It lies in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Write about the climate of this area at the right side of your project copy and mention about any three common animals of this area and write down about their adaptations also. After that, paste relevant pictures of animals on the left side of your project copy. For your social studies project, at the top of the ruled page, you will write social studies, then you will write topic fauna in Ladakh. Ladakh has a very rich flora and fauna. Several species of them are endemic to this region. Due to its unique climate and topography, distinct species of animals are found in Ladakh. Name any two animals of Ladakh and write down 5 sentences for each of them in the right side of your project copy and draw or paste the relevant pictures on the left side of your project copy. For your computer project also, at the top of the ruled page, you will write computer, then you will write topic web page creation. You have learned about HTML, which is used to create web pages. Now mention the names of other languages which are also used to create web pages. Also write the code to set the background image into your web page. Draw the output on the left side of your project file. Now I will explain your Sanskrit project. At the top of the ruled page, you will write Sanskrit, then you will write the topic of your Sanskrit project. Write down the synonyms of the given words from the box on the right side and draw or paste any 4 pictures of your written words on the left side of your project copy. After that, you will write your GK project. At the top of the ruled page, you will write GK. Then you will write topic traditional dresses of Ladakh. You have to write down the names of the traditional dresses of Ladakh for women and men and describe them in few sentences on the right side of your project copy. And then paste any 4 pictures of the traditional dresses on the left side of your project copy. After completing your general knowledge project, then on the last page you will write bibliography, where you will write to make all these projects I have taken help from internet as well as from my textbook. Hope all of you have understood how you will make your project copy for term 2. Submission date will be notified later. Thank you all of you.